Are you leaving free money on the table? Seriously, if you use Wise and you aren't sharing your referral link, you are basically walking past cash on the sidewalk. And the easiest place to share it is WhatsApp, because that is where your friends and family actually are. So in this tutorial, I am going to show you exactly how to grab that link and send it out in under 2 minutes. No fuss, no fluff. Here is the plan. I will walk you right through your Wise account, show you where that referral link is hiding, and then we will send it straight through WhatsApp. Let us dive in. All right, so the first thing you want to do is open up your Wise account. Just log in like you normally would. You will land on your main dashboard, which can look a little busy, but do not worry. What we are looking for is up in the top corner. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. It is that little circle with your initial inside it, or maybe your picture if you have uploaded one. Click that. Now, a drop-down menu will appear. Here is where it gets interesting. Look for the option that says Referrals. It's usually right in the middle of that list. Click on that. And this is the page where all the magic happens. It actually shows you how much you have earned so far from referrals, which is a nice little motivator to keep going. So now that you are on the Referrals page, I want you to look for the button that says Refer and Earn. It is usually a big, inviting button right in the center of the screen. Click that one. And pay attention to this part, because this is where you actually activate your link. The page might take a second to load, but once it does, you will see your personal referral hub. This is your command center. You can actually track how many people have signed up and how much you have made, all from right here. Now, here is the step that trips people up. You are looking for a button that simply says Share. It is usually a bright, colorful button right next to your referral link. Do not copy the link manually. That is a pain. Just click that Share button. In my experience, using the built-in Share button keeps everything clean and makes sure you are sending the right link, not an old one or a broken one. Here is the final step, and it is the simplest one. When you click Share, a list of options pops up. You will see your regular apps like email, text message, and social media. But you are looking for the one that says Send with WhatsApp. Tap that. Now, in effect is a direct integration. It will open WhatsApp automatically, and your referral link will already be pasted into the message box. All you have to do is pick the person or the group you want to send it to and hit send. That is it. And that is really all there is to it. You have just successfully shared your Wise referral link through WhatsApp. So the next time you are chatting with a friend who's complaining about international transfer fees, you know exactly what to do. Go ahead and put that link to work. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.